tragic flows. I can't be bothered to listen up, cause I'm not lazy, you know, I've tried, but for me it doesn't work from 9 to 5, so I just do it at my own pace.